Assalamualaikum ji. Welcome back to Sahar's Diary. In this video, we're gonna be doing a little Pinterest stationery haul. As you all know, August is already here and schools have finally reopened. And it's the best time to do a stationery haul. Well, I know, I'm very late to this video, but better late than never. So yeah, let's do it. I'm actually very excited to show you guys all of my things. And well, I'm going to ninth grade this year and I'm not ready for the boards to cook me up, but still, we're gonna see when it comes. But for now, let's stop yapping and let's just start the video. First of all, we're starting off with a school bag. Well, everything is already unboxed because these things got me so excited कि मैंने आते साथ ही हर चीज़ की unboxing कर दी थी. This time I went with black for the school bag and it's all plain. I really love it. मुझे लगता है कि plain is more elegant than the printed. And खैर this has a lot of pockets and मेरे पास बहुत सारा सामान होता है रखने को. I even take my books to school because whenever I'm bored मैं बस बुक्स उठा के पढ़ना शुरू कर देती हूँ. And it's actually very spacious. I guess 6 to 7 compartments होंगे इसमें. Although इस ईयर मैंने सोचा था कि मैं 2 से 3 पॉकेट वाला बैग लूँगी, but I really loved this one. And I don't really know a lot about the fabrics, but इसका fabric बहुत अच्छा है. Like it's not the normal one. It's more of a Korean bag, if you know. तो yeah, it's that kind of bag. Material मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा and it was just so affordable. I don't really remember the price, but yeah, it was affordable though. So this was my school bag. And then we have, oh my god, this is my favorite thing I've ever purchased as a stationery stuff. I really needed a backpack for my school trips, and this is the legit most best ever bag I've ever found. This is just so spacious, so sleek. क्या होता है? So chic, sleek, chic. I don't know. Whatever, man. I don't care. This bag is so nice. Material इतना अच्छा है. It's so spacious and so stylish. And even कोई कुछ चोरी भी नहीं कर पाएगा आपकी बैग से because the main pocket is within the bag. And one thing that I love the most, you can wear it as a school bag or even a tote bag as well. I really needed a tote bag too, but this is like a 2-in-1. That is why I am obsessed with it. My uni and college girlies are really gonna love this bag. It's just so spacious. इस वीडियो में मैंने कितनी बार spacious word बोला यार. But still, I'm gonna show you the pockets. दो ऊपर से हैं, एक इधर नीचे से hidden है, and the main pocket is on the back. Let me show you. अच्छा, we even have the side pockets, but sadly इसमें मेरा thermos जो कि मैंने buy किया है is not fitting in. But we're gonna do something of it. I really love the bag though. This is what the back pocket looks from. Oh, looks like. Yeah, my English is just. This is what it looks from inside. इसमें जो है आपको एक अंदर से zip मिल जाती है and you even get 2 compartments over here. इसमें मैंने अपना school register रखा है just to show you guys to give you idea. This can fit in even registers. बहुत ज़्यादा जगह है इसमें. It can hold easily 4 to 6 copies या फिर अगर आपकी books थोड़ी मोटी हैं then 3 to 4 books. This cost me nearly 3200 but every single penny was worth it. इसकी link मैं description box में लगाऊंगी. If you wanna check it out then you can go and surely purchase. I really loved it. Recommended from my side. Then this is my New Year's full water bottle. Acha, this has SUS 304 which is the best quality for the steel. And I went for Mehndi green this time. मुझे थर्मास काफ़ी ना सिंपल सा चाहिए था. I even could have bought a Stanley, but I thought कि Stanley को कैरी करना थोड़ा सा मुश्किल हो जाएगा मेरे लिए. And I'm very introvert to be carrying out a jar-like looking jug in my hand. I think it's gonna be looking awkward. Not to judge you guys, but I'm just giving out my opinion. And well, Stanley थोड़ा सा old भी हो गया है अभी. So I went for this simple looking vacuum bottle which can keep your water cold for 14 to 15 hours and hot for 11 to 12 घंटे. And yeah, I really love it. It's very easy to carry. Even इसका handle silicone का है and I really love it. This is my second best purchase. This is a purple lilac colored sleek looking pouch and it's like made out of Korean material or I don't know, but the quality is so good and I got it from Oria Books. It's a store on Daras. if you wanna gift me anything, I really love stationery. Gift me anything, like literally anything from Aurea Books, because literally their store is just so goated. They've got all kinds of stickers and journaling material. They've got journals and planners and diaries and everything, even pouches and even pens. And I'm definitely gonna order something else from that store too. Well, telling you about the pouch, काफ़ी स्पेशियस है ये. इसका नीचे से भी एक कंपार्टमेंट है एंड ऊपर से दो कंपार्टमेंट है इसके. फर्स्ट कंपार्टमेंट में कुछ पेन्स आ सकती हैं एंड एक करेक्शन टेप, एक इरेजर, एक शार्पनर. सेकेंड कंपार्टमेंट इसका काफ़ी बड़ा है. इट्स लाइक इट कैन होल्ड अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स. एंड नीचे वाला कंपार्टमेंट आई कीप माई कैलकुलेटर इन इट, या फिर वो चीज़ें that I don't really want to show to my friends, like glue stick, because glue काफ़ी जल्दी ख़त्म हो जाती है अगर हम लोग अपने दोस्तों को दे दें. So I always keep my glue hidden. The pouch is 100 on 10. You should surely go and check Aurea Books page on the Daraz. Then we have got this dried leaves and trees pouch. इसका मटेरियल थोड़ा सा वो वाला है जिसको ना नेल्स लगाने के बाद जो रगड़ता है, वो वाला मटेरियल है. एंड अंदर से काफ़ी सॉफ्ट एंड फोमी है ये. I got this from market and I really loved it. I guess this is very cute. It's spacious. Well, I bought this to keep my makeup in it, but then I'm gonna take it to my school. इसमें मैं अपना paper soap रखूँगी and a hand cream, an extra scrunchie, a safety pin, all that stuff. Then this is my third pouch. We're all sorry for boards. I bought this pouch just because of boards, because उधर transparent pouch लेके जानी होती है. So I bought this. This is like the best material transparent pouch I've ever seen, because मैंने पहले भी 2-3 बाई की हुई हैं, बट उनका मटेरियल ना काफ़ी फटने वाला था. बट the quality is insane. Like, I don't know about the material, but it's just so nice. Although I am broke, but I still didn't forget to buy a wallet. And a wallet isn't even allowed in my school, but I still bought it because I really needed it. एंड मेरे पास कोई भी वॉलेट नहीं था, सो आई वेंट फॉर दिस वन. ये मुझे मार्केट से मिला था. नियरली 400 या फिर 500 इसकी प्राइस होगी, या फिर आई डोंट रियली रिमेंबर द प्राइस. इसकी क्वालिटी इज़ रियली नाइस. लेदर क्वालिटी इज़ सो गुड. इट हैज़ 12 पॉकेट्स जस्ट फॉर कार्ड्स. इसका मेन पॉकेट काफ़ी बड़ा था एंड हैड वन जिप टू. एंड आई रियली लव द कलर कंट्रास्ट, पिंक एंड पर्पल. दिस इज़ जस्ट सो क्यूट. This was all for pouches and wallet. इनमें से सबसे favorite was my purple school pouch. I'm already tired and the half of the box is nearly full. So yeah, we gotta keep on. This is cute little pink colored napkin pouch. Girl stuff, I got this from Daraz and it cost me nearly 600 to 700. The quality is so good. Then you have this cute little weekly journal. It is in the matcha color. एंड इसमें सारे डेज के अलग जो है कंपार्टमेंट्स हैं, सो वी कैन राइट द टू डू लिस्ट ऑफ एवरी सिंगल डे. इट्स सो ब्यूटिफुल फ्रॉम आउटसाइड बट अ बिट अगली फ्रॉम इनसाइड, मीनिंग इट कुड हैव बीन अ बिट बेटर. दे कुड हैव मेड इट अ बिट कलरफुल, बट स्टिल इट्स ओके. आई लव इट. एंड एक पेज में इधर पूरे वीक का कंपार्टमेंट्स हैं टू डू लिस्ट का, एंड सेकेंड पेज में इट्स लाइक अ लाइंड पेज. हम लोग कुछ भी नोट्स लिख सकते हैं इसमें. It's like a nice purchase though. If you are strategic like me or someone who likes planning, this would help you a lot with that. But this was a bit expensive. This cost me around 600. But if you like journal, it's like worth it though. Then you have a calculator. Oh my god. Vacations ने मेरा पूरा का पूरा pronunciation खराब कर दिया है. Then we have a little calculator for my math cutie, my favorite subject. Just kidding. You're never gonna hear me saying it. But this is a calculator. Then we have these are sticky notes for Notion. I don't really know Notion that much, or I never really do Notion, but I'm learning to do Notion because it's cool. So yeah, then I bought these sticky notes that actually looks like a cutter, and it even comes with 2 refills. These are so cute. This is what it looks like from inside. This is just so cool, and yeah, काफ़ी easily eraser pull up हो रहा है and push down हो रहा है. It's just so easy to use this eraser, and it comes with 2 refills. This is also worth buying because it's just so cute. Then we bought colors to make my black and white life colorful, and these are pack of 12 and pack of 4. The red ones are from Georgine. दीज आर फ्रॉम दराज. क्वालिटी उनकी बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छी है. मेटल केस की क्वालिटी भी अच्छी है एंड इवन कलर्स की क्वालिटी भी अच्छी है. एंड दी पर्पल वंस, दीज आर पैक ऑफ 24. आई बॉट देम फ्रॉम लाइक अनदर वेबसाइट. इनकी क्वालिटी भी अच्छी है, बट आई वुड रिकमेंड दी रेड वंस टू यू. इनके पैक ऑफ 12, पैक ऑफ 24, पैक ऑफ 36, पैक ऑफ 72 एंड इवन पैक ऑफ 100 एंड उसके अबव भी थे. So if you're like an artist and you're passionate about coloring and you want more than just 12 colors, then you can surely check out their page. I'll be mentioning the link in the description box, but this is what they look like from inside. I'm even trying these on copies to show you guys how nice these are. बहुत ही dark color करते हैं ये. So these are really nice, easy to handle, and also these are non-toxic. And these are the second one colors, the purple packaging, and these are pack of 24. इनके कलर भी काफ़ी vibrant है दो, but the red ones were like more worth it. Then I got this cute little highlighters from Daraz. These are just so cute, although I expected them to be a little bit bigger, but these are literally smaller than my finger. And these work so nice. But these were worth it though, because they were just so mini and they were looking so cute. I'll be mentioning the link down in the description box. You can go and check these out. These are pack of 6 though, and it came with a cute little container. And I just bought it because of container, because you can actually use it in anything else too. Then we have this pack of 12 glitter marker. We have got a lot of headings and diagrams and coloring things. So I bought these neon highlighters too, and these are literally so good. The packaging was just so nice. Like मुझे पतली वाली पैकेजिंग बहुत प्यारी लगती है, एंड ये काफ़ी थिंक पैकेजिंग में आए थे, सो आई रियली लव दैट थिंग. And let me show you how they work. They have a brush nib and they can even write thick and thin, however you use them. And one thing was कि कोई कलर ना ग्लिटर वाला नहीं था, so they just were using like कि वो नॉर्मल मार्कर्स हैं एंड ग्लिटर मार्कर्स नहीं हैं, so they didn't had that much shine. But for me they like okay, I would give them a 7 out of 10. If you are a book reader like me, you need this book lamp. ये आप अपनी बुक पे ही लगा सकते हैं. I'm just gonna show you कि इसको कैसे करते हैं, and it's gonna give you a little bit adequate light, जो कि सिर्फ आपकी बुक पे ही पड़ेगी, and it's not gonna disturb other people who are sleeping, and it's best for night studying या फिर reading. So it's like really nice thing, and it's also very affordable, like 4 to 300 में आपको ये easily कहीं से भी मिल जाएगी. And it's actually cell operated, तो आप cell change कर सकते हैं whenever it's like not working, and it's gonna work again. I am a child in adult body, because look at this, what I found, a cute little sharpener जिस पे kitten बनी हुई है, and this is like a metal case, and sharpener की जो sharps होती हैं वो काफ़ी annoy करती हैं, and आपकी पाउच पूरी काली काली दिखने लगती है, and it's just looks like it hasn't been washed in days. So yeah, I like to keep my sharpener always in a bin or something, जिसमें कचरा बाहर ना निकले. So it's actually a very cute thing. Then this is another sharpener that I found. This is in the shape of camera, and I actually love camera. I love photography. So I bought this because of that. काफ़ी cute है ये. But the one thing is कि इसका जो sharpener वाला part है वो बार बार निकल आता है. So we have to fix that again and again. Although this is a nice thing though. And I got this just in 50 rupees. Then we have a purple pen set जो कि मैंने दराज से लिया है. Well, this was not just pack of 4. This was pack of 7 actually. इसमें एक करेक्शन टेप थी जो कि ख़त्म हो गई, एक इरेज़र था जो कि टूट गया, बट द इरेज़र वाज जस्ट सो क्यूट. ग्रेप्स बने हुए थे इस पर, एंड इट वाज ट्रांसपेरेंट, एंड इस पर ग्रेप्स बने हुए थे. थर्ड थिंग वाज अ कटर, या आई गेस इट वाज अ कटर, तो वो मैंने साइड पे रखा हुआ है. बाकी दीज आर ऑल ऑफ दी पेन स्टफ़. ये जिसे मैंने बाय किया था वो स्टोर अभी 2030 के लिए क्लोज़ हो गया है, तो आई कैंट प्रोवाइड द लिंक्स, बट दीज वर सो गुड. पेन सारी वर्क करती हैं, बट फ़िलहाल हाथ पे वर्क नहीं कर रही थी, बिकॉज द प्लेस आई वाज सिटिंग इज वॉज वेरी हॉट, तो कोई भी चीज़ वर्क नहीं कर रही थी हाथ पे. दिस वॉज लिटरली द फर्स्ट थिंग दैट आई बॉट फॉर दिस हॉल. देन वी हैव 2 कलर्ड कलेक्शन टेप, जिनमें से चलती एक भी नहीं है, बट दिस वर अ बिट क्यूट, तो मैंने रख दी हैं ये. देन वी हैव दिस सडोर की हैंड क्रीम. इफ़ ए पर्सन लाइक मी जिसके हाथ काफ़ी जल्दी ड्राई हो जाते हैं. यू नो व्हाट इट फील्स लाइक. तो आई ऑलवेज कीप अ मॉइस्चराइज़र या फिर अ हैंड क्रीम इन माई बैग. Although it does not make my hands that moisturized, but I still, काम चालू. अगर you can afford, you can buy a nice little moisturizer जो कि छोटी पैकेजिंग में हो येट काफ़ी वर्कफुल भी हो. दिस इज़ अ प्लांट बेस्ड प्रोडक्ट. बट सरोरा के प्रोडक्ट्स इतने ज़्यादा अमेजिंग नहीं होते. दे आर जस्ट ओके. Then we have these pack of 2 pencils, and this came in already sharpened, though I bought it because I really thought these were unique. एंड पेंसिल की ग्रिप काफ़ी अच्छी दिखाई, मुझे अच्छी लगी. देन वी हैव दिस मैकेनिकल पेंसिल. एंड आई डोंट नो इफ़ आई एम द ओनली वन हु फाउंड आउट कि मैकेनिकल पेंसिल एग्जिस्ट भी करती हैं, बिकॉज आई हैव यूज्ड दैट ग्रेफाइट पेंसिल्स ऑल माई लाइफ एंड आई गॉट माई हैंड्स इनटू दिस मैकेनिकल पेंसिल. And now I can't stop using it because it's just so good. These are eco-friendly and this makes literally no trash at all. आप एक बार ये केस ले लेते हैं इसका and then you just keep refilling it and then it's gonna not go anywhere. It's like the best purchase. Guys, I beg you to switch your pencils because the graphite pencils are making so much trash and also they're not eco-friendly as well. Well, I got this from Daraz and I'll be mentioning the links below in the description box so you can check out. And don't worry, mechanical pencils के साथ उनकी अपनी refills आती हैं. Then these are 2 beige colored pointer pens and I don't really these are not pointers, these are ball. I don't know, ball pointer? What's the difference though? Don't judge me, I've just forgot every single thing in my vacation. But still, these are ball pen I guess. And I got this from nearby stationery shop and these are so good. काफ़ी cute लगे मुझे, so I randomly bought them. Then at last but not the least, we have this 7 subject notebook from the most quoted shop ever on Daraz Aurea Books. And our box is finally empty, alhamdulillah. And well, this notebook has helped me a lot with my studies. Like even before schools were started, I literally made notes and it was just so easy to make notes on them. आई रियली लव द थिंग कि हर एक सब्जेक्ट का खुद का एक डिवीज़न था. तो हर एक सब्जेक्ट के पास अपना खुद का जगह था. सो यू कैन कीप योर स्टडीज सेग्रीगेटेड एंड इधर भी कुछ भी मिक्स नहीं हो रहा. सेकेंड थिंग, यू आर गेटिंग पॉकेट्स एट द एंड सो यू कैन कीप योर पेन्स और इरेजर और एनी थिंग यू वॉन्ट टू कीप. थर्ड थिंग कि आपको हर एक पेज नंबर पर उसका पेज नंबर लिखा आता है. सो यू डोंट रियली गो कन्फ्यूज़ कि कौन से पेज पे क्या है. It has index and it even has class schedule at the end that is gonna help you a lot. This cost me around 15 to 1600 but this was legit so worth it. First of all, ऊपर से इसका transparent cover है. Then this is how it goes from first page. इसका पूरा जो है index का है कि कौन सा color theme किस specific subject के लिए होगा. And then मेरा first subject math है. So this is how it all starts from. First thing is index. Well, every single page is lined though. Page and cover every चीज़ की जो है हर चीज़ की जगह लिखी हुई है. तो you can write the date, you can write the day and everything. And this is how I made my notes. Don't judge me. I love my notes a little bit chatpata. So I use a lot of markers and highlighters and different kinds of pen. And this is not even it. मेरे biology के notes तो इतने कोई जो है colorful है. Well, I really love my notes to be fascinating and fancy. ताकि जब मैं पढ़ूँ they just get me in और मुझे काफ़ी attract करे वो. So they actually pull me into studying and this literally works so much. And खैर, you can comment me down below if you want me to make video on study tips or something. खैर, this is how this notebooks look like. 360 pages I guess. And आप जितने subjects पढ़ाते जाएंगे उतने pages बढ़ते जाएंगे. I bought 7 subjects. It even has 9 to 8 subjects too. If you want to spend your money wisely on a single product that is gonna last you more than a year, then you need to get your hands on this notebook. It's just infinity on 10. It's my favorite purchase of this all. You can see the class schedule and at the end I'm also gonna show you the pocket thing. Also, this is the pocket that I was talking about. It's fully made out of paper though. And it's just so cute to have a pocket made out of paper. And you can see इसमें काफ़ी चीज़ें आ सकती हैं like your pen, your stationery, a calculator, a pencil or colors or anything. Thank you so much for watching. This was all for today's stationery video. Do let me know in the comments what was the thing that you loved the most. For me, it had to be that backpack or that purple pouch or even this notebook. Thank you so much for watching. If you want more of these kind of videos, do let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching and Allah Hafiz. But before going, subscribe because we aim for gaining 1K subscriber this year, and this is gonna be incomplete without you guys. And bye bye.